There are lots of stressful situations in a girl's life. Be it a quarrel with a boyfriend or smudged eyeliner, we know how to cope with them. Watch a new video about weird makeup stress relievers. My friend's quarreling with someone on her phone. I think it's her boyfriend. Wow, she's really angry. Calm down. Blusher is a girl's best friend. Pour clear glue into a bowl. Add red coloring. Put in liquid washing detergent. We've got Persil color gel. Knead the red slime. Add crushed foam plastic. Put the slime into an empty blush container. My friend opens the blusher. What's this? Wow! My blusher cheers her up and makes her calm. You can press and squeeze, stretch and tear it as long as you wish. She's calmed down. The crisis is over. Oh, what's this? Is it a fairy's makeup? Magic lip gloss? It's sparkling and glowing. Pour water into an empty lip gloss container up to the middle. Add glycerin up to the top. Put in glitter. Mix it with an applicator. You can watch the glitter particles moving in the lip gloss forever. It might be sold in the fairy makeup shops. I want to get it right now. Forget about the lip gloss. I've got something cooler. It's my lava lamp. Pour oil into an empty clear spray perfume bottle. Use a funnel. Dissolve coloring in water. Put in some glitter. Suck the sparkly colored water into a syringe. Drop it into the oil. When it sinks, toss pieces of effervescent tablets into the bottle. We've taken aspirin. It's a sparkling magic inside the lava lamp. It looks like a space dance. The colored bubbles soar and then sink again quietly. Cut off a tube from the spray top. Close the lava lamp. I enjoy watching the bubbles move for a long time. It has a soothing and relaxing effect. If you put in more effervescent pills, you'll watch a whole bubble whirl. It looks like an underwater volcano eruption. My friend sees my lava lamp. The sparkly lip gloss is forgotten. She's really excited about my magic bottle. The colored bubbles move in the way my heart beats. She wants the spray for herself. No way! If you've taken my lip gloss, play with it. Okay, I can exchange the lava spray for the lip gloss because I can moisturize my hands with the glycerin. My friend didn't expect it. She seems to make the wrong choice again. Does the sound of a zipper drive you crazy? Your friend knows about it, but it doesn't stop her? Let's see how she'll react to your totally awesome makeup bag. Fold a piece of felt in half. Take zippers of different colors. Place them on the felt one by one. Mark out the excess. Measure ½ inch beyond the top zipper. Draw a line. Pin the felt. Cut off the top across the line. Hot glue the sides up to the mark. Fold the top and hot glue. Attach a fastening zipper. Hot glue the decorating zippers to the front side. Attach Velcro to the other. Aha! A day of revenge has come. There are 4 torturing tools on my makeup bag. I can make a whole irritating band from my zippers. Play a C note. Then follows a Velcro choir as a backing vocal. Here it is, my ode to joy. My friend doesn't seem to be a music lover. She takes her stress-relieving compact. You'll need an empty used compact or a pocket mirror. Cut out a few pieces of bubble wrap to fit the container. Put them in. My friend's popping the bubble wrap. It makes her calm and relaxed. She's found the way to reduce the zipper sound effect. Bubbles are the best stress relievers. I've got 2 unusual EOS balms, yellow and pink. They're perfect for pranking tools. I'll put them into my friend's